In today's video, I'll teach you how to solve ReelShort login problem. So if you're facing login problem in ReelShort, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable network, you might face a login problem. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After that, your problem should be solved. Also, sometimes you might be facing the problem because of incorrect credentials. So make sure to check the credentials are correct. After you provide the correct credentials, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, there might be some bugs in the application. In order to fix it, what you can do is simply update it. For that, what you have to do is launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Now what you have to do is search for ReelShort. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for ReelShort and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, uninstall and update. Simply tap on this option, update. Now wait for a while and this application will be updated. Once the application has been updated, your problem should be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, the problem might be caused because of the cache of the app. So in that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. So what you have to do is launch open app library on your device, find the application for ReelShort and long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option, storage and cache. Now you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Simply tap on this option, clear cache. Once you do that, the cache of the application will be cleared and your problem should be fixed. Now once you do all that, your login problem will be fixed. But if your login problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes the fault might be on your device. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now tap on this option, restart. Once you do that, your device will be restarted and all the temporary glitches will be solved. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you solve ReelShort login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.